Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, in the last episode, you know that we named our, little store Pastel Cats Pizza and Donuts place, because why not? That is the name of our store, and, you know, we got this. So, guys, be the way, join the kitty clan by join the kitten clan now by you don't gotta subscribe. Oh no, I'm not one of those YouTubers no more, you know? I don't ask for subs. I ask for you guys to hit the notification button, because all I really appreciate you guys doing is watching the videos and enjoying them. Really, that's all I want, is that you guys want to get notified every time I post a new video. Other than that, I'm just saying, join the kitty clan by hitting that notification bell and leave it in the comments down below if you did. And if you want, you can like the video, but you don't got to if you don't want to. I just want to get this video to at least 10 views, guys. Even though it'll probably get 1 view. Well, because that is normally what most of my videos averagely get, is 2 to 3 views on them. So can we please get to 10 views, guys? Please. Like, guys, share this video with all your friends, family if you want, your dog, your cat, whatever. Really, if they're into that kind of thing, please share it with them so everybody gets to watch and become a part of the kitty clan if they want, because the kitty clan is something I just made up on the top of my head, and it is our new army, basically. Everybody, we've got the Ash army, we've got the Peachy squad, we've got the Don't Trip army, we've got a whole bunch of, like, squads, armies, whatever. I want the kitty clan instead. So guys, yeah, that's all. I just wanted to explain that first of all. And yeah, today we are going to completely finish our little pizza place. And also, so guys, like, see I said this in the last video. I actually said that I want you guys to be packed into this restaurant later in whatever time, guys, please. I am also, guys, let me know. Okay, so, I have something to tell you guys. So, I am giving away a buffalo. As you can see, its name is For Trade, but okay, we're actually going to rename him. Look at this. We got to rename him to For Giveaway. For Giveaway. Oh man, what? It doesn't let me put For Giveaway. Here, let's try to name him not in capitals. Not capitals. For Giveaway. For Giveaway. Because, yeah, that's the thing we need. Okay, yes. It says For Giveaway. And so, guys, all you gotta do to enter this giveaway, which there will be one lucky winner at the end of it, it'll be basically, the winner will be drawn on the 1st of October, which is tomorrow. So, guys, you know, yeah, the October 31st. The 1st of October, no, the 31st of October, sorry, guys, which is tomorrow, like I say. And, all you gotta do is, like I said, hit the notification button and comment your Roblox username in the comments so I can friend you. In fact, even if you're not the winner, I will friend literally all of the people that comment, and, you know, I will probably maybe give you things if you win giveaways in the future. So, yeah. And so all you gotta do is just really comment your Roblox username, and the winner will be drawn depending on who gets the friend request first. And I'll basically I'll be posting a video on who the winner is by tomorrow, because tomorrow is where the giveaway ends. So I will be doing more giveaways like this, but like, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'm really excited. As you can see, though, look at this. We have chairs, the bottoms of chairs, just like literally. It's so annoying. There's chairs sticking through the ceiling, and I'm just like, why? Why did this happen? Okay. Anyway. Can I have one too?
A grilled cheese?
Yeah.
A cheese sandwich?
A grilled cheese.
I'm not making a grilled cheese.
Man, then I'm not having one.
Cheese sandwich!
Cheese sandwiches are disgusting. Disgusting! You won't make me disgusting. Okay, sorry guys. Anyway. You know what? We need another pet. Okay. So let's just take Sammy for a walk here. Oh. Hi, Nova. I'm gonna say hi. Yes. I'm just gonna say yes. How are you getting it? What? Question mark? I don't know what she's talking about. How are you getting? What is she talking about? GIRL. I'm FIL. I'm filming. Okay, so I'm gonna say some of THEM are from my FRIEND. Some of them are from my friend. Yeah, shout outs to her. I'm gonna type to her. I'll give you a SHOUT. I'll give you a shout out. So guys, by the way, shout outs to my friend Nova. She was that was just the girl that said hi to the YouTube. I explained to her I'm filming for YouTube. She's just like, yay. But shout outs to her. I'm gonna say I have a MIC, so I don't have to TIPY. So I don't have to TYP. Wait, yeah, that's incorrect, but so I don't have to type. But anyway, shout outs to Heaven, aka Nova. Okay, so anyway, yeah, shout out to her. Yeah, I'm gonna say I'll give you the CHANNLENAMELATER. I'll give you the channel name later. because yeah, we gotta give her the channel name later, so she knows. Cause she doesn't. A lot of my friends will join my game, or a lot of people will like come up to me and start asking me stuff, and I'll be like, girl, I'm filming. So a lot of people actually get shout outs and like friend requests and stuff from me, and they get like some fan tea because yeah, basically, yeah, all she wants to say is, hi YouTube, what's up, how's life, okay, bye-bye. That is all she said, and then she said, yeah. And I said, I'll give you a shout out. So I'm like, I have a mic, so, and she's just like, okay. Well, hi, peeps. But so yeah, okay, peeps. But anyway, so yeah. I'm excited because, so what do we need to do? We need, okay, wait, yeah, guys, we need to add more, okay, let me explain, guys. Okay, so we're gonna move our cashier desk, because we actually need it more like over here, or no, closer to like the very closeness of it. I don't know. Oof. Okay, we'll move that. We'll fix that later. I'm gonna set this down here because, like, literally, this is okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay, sorry guys. My brother's watching TikToks and it's annoying. Can you be more quiet, sir? Thank you. Okay. Sorry guys. So now that we've moved that, we need to fix this issue. So we'll put this on the other side because yeah, we can't have it there because it's gonna get in the way of my window. So there's the window. Perfect. That looks pretty good because I want to add seating over here. So let's stop our ride because yeah, let's get Sammy completely out of the way so we have enough space to, you know, move our mouse and stuff and get around easily so we can do this. So time to add more tables for the
Thank you. You're welcome.
Cause see guys, no, oof. And we're gonna do basically the same thing we did in last episode. So there's gonna be a lot of these episodes in the rest of the October. Cause then once October is over, I'm gonna keep doing these. This store, it's gonna be here forever for the Kitty Clan to come here whenever they want. But so yeah, okay, let's move the table first. Okay, so some people get it right close to like the name of the store. They get the sign that says welcome to see. So what the sign says is welcome to Pastel Cat's Pizza and Donut Place, because that is what it is. Literally, that is what it is. Okay, we add. What is going on here? No. What is going on here? What? Ugh. I hate this. Why? I die. Literally die. Ugh. Okay. We'll add another kid's seat here. And my cat. Sorry guys, I have cats and they are ridiculous.